All right, defense stocks are in the spotlight this week with several companies reporting earnings. Markets reporter Sheila Dharmarajan takes a look at why the best offense could be defense stocks in 2010.
Right.
Explain.
So it's a big week for these defense stocks. General Dynamics is out this morning, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon all out this week.
Boeing could be categorized as one as well.
They do have part of their business is in defense. Now here's the thing, defense stocks massively underperformed the market in 2009. In fact, they were down about 20% compared to the market. So big underperformance there. And of course, a lot of the concerns was around budget declines, record deficit, potential initiatives such as healthcare taking a bite out of the budget. So a lot of investors thought that defense would likely be cut. But according to Sanford Bernstein, 2010 could be looking much better for the defense stocks. Well, for one reason, they'd actually think the defense budget is headed higher. They think the DoD is going to increase the budget. OMB, they're saying, is going to increase 2% over the next 5 years. So that's playing a part into it. Another reason they point out is take a look at the valuations. These stocks are at incredibly cheap levels compared to what they've been historically. In fact, when you look at the stocks on a forward earnings basis, 27% discount to the market. Compare that to their long-term average of only a 13% discount, looking pretty cheap here. Cash flow is another big reason that they like these stocks. They say that when you look at these stocks, government funding, of course, means less capex out of the company's pocket, which, of course, means more cash flow for the shareholders. And actually, when you look at the percentage of cash returned to shareholders, much higher than typical market companies.
All right, so that's definitely going to make shareholders happy. Any particular names that we should keep our eye on?
So two names to keep an eye on: Lockheed Martin. They report earnings tomorrow. Long-term growth earnings story there. They talk about, of course, they make a variety of defense products, including infamous drones. Everyone loves to talk about the drones. Northrop Grumman is another one they say to keep an eye on. There's been a lot of changes in management and on the board, so they think they're potentially very beneficial for the company.
Okay, so watch for LMT and NOC.
That's
Thanks
right.
so much, Sheila Dharmarajan on the defense stocks.